Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to take RTMP streaming output using Logosys. Uh, this would be limited to RTMP streaming output. We'll have another session for RTMP input, so you can also take RTMP stream as an input. Uh, Next, we have plans for showing you how you can uh, actually take an input and output from RTMP. So first let us understand what is RTMP. Used for live streaming. It is used by all the major social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook. It is very popular in terms of live streaming, and it's one of the common protocol which is used by major providers. So what the RTMP consists of is two things. One is the RTMP URL itself, and then RTMP key. So uh, these two parameters, which is the stream URL and the key, which will be provided by your RTMP server provider. So in case if you are doing Facebook, you can get this detail from Facebook. If you are doing it from YouTube, and if you are doing this from our servers, you can get these details from us. So let us just jump to our screen. So I hope you are able to see my screen now. If you just open this, and if you can see this interface, we have primary streaming and backup streaming. This both support RTMP, and we have one more called as RTMP streaming, so you can use any of this. These three are same in terms of functioning, but let's say you want to stream simultaneously to multiple platforms, then you can use all these three. uh, so let us just go into this and on this. So the first time you on this, you might see a error message. These numbers which are running, this shows that the streaming is running and the stream is connected. So let me off this. Let's go to this configuration, and you can click on this load, which will load your previous settings if you have. Now in this, you can select, and the first thing in the RTMP streaming you need to select is the codec, video codec. So whatever codecs are available for RTMP in your PC will show us here. So let's select NVIDIA for now. Quick thing. So we have an encoding documentation which you can understand what this each encoding options can give you. Second, you need to select the bitrate. Bitrate is nothing but the quality and the speed of internet you have. So if you, let's say if you want to stream on 4 Mbps, you can select this as 4 Mbps, and if you want to select it on 1 Mbps, you can select it on 1 Mbps. Bitrate will basically affect your quality. If you want to retain high quality, if you want to do a high quality live stream, then you need higher bandwidth, as well as you need to select higher bitrate in this section. The second is the audio codec. So you will audio codec with video. So you can select MP3, or you can select double AC, and you can select PCM as well. So most of the big platforms like YouTube and Facebook will recommend you to. So we are using this right now. Next is the audio bitrate. It is equivalent to what video bitrate was. So you can stream audio for 128 KB or 48 KB or 256 KB. So let us just keep this default as 128. Now, as I told you, you will need uh, the RTMP URL. So it would be something like RTMP, then there would be colon and then double slash, and then there would be a server name. So let's say if this is Facebook or YouTube, it would be something like YouTube dot like stream dot YouTube, something like that. You need to take this from the provider. So for an example, we are taking our cloud server. So then there would be a port number. Normally RTMP communicate on a port number which is 1935. So you can provide this. If your provider asks you to definitely do that here, and then you can use the stream application name. So this might normally be, let's say in our case, this would be Logosys. Uh, then you can also have the stream key. So this might be a password or something which your provider gives. So let me just give you this. Let me just put something here. So let me just put Logosys right now. So once you select all these parameters, you have to click on this save. Right now the stream will not work because this URL is not functional. This is not the right stream URL and right key, but this is the way you have to configure it. Next, you can go down to streaming and click on this on. So obviously it will not work right now. Enter the right URL, you will see this statistics. Now you can see the statistics are not working, and it's retrying. The reason is that this URL is not valid. But if this would have been valid, you will see running in the status, and you will details which will show you what is the frame rate it is streaming on, what if there are any breaks. You can see it here if there are any frame drops, audio sampling, video and your audio sync issue if you have anything. So this is how you normally do videos RTMP streaming output. Let us know if you need anything else. You can write down to our team. So let's just switch back to. Okay, let's just switch back to our scene. And so as I told you, if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask our support team by sending an email to support@logosys.in. Thank you for joining.